Hey everyone, this is Nick White, and I thought for the holiday season it would be very appropriate to show off some sleigh bells from the 19 teens and 20s that all came from trap drummers. And the first one I'm going to show you are the ones made by Sleigh. These were designed by their engineer Wanamaker in 1914. The next ones I have are duplex ones. They're a little bit older. I also have some ones by Walberg and Auger. In a lot of Ludwig catalogs, you'd see these little straps of sleigh bells sold. They don't make a lot of sound though. I'm doing a lot of classical pops gigs right now, and the ones I like to use the most are the 1930s Walberg and Auger ones. And it's usually just a strap, but I added this wood. And then all three of these came from England, and I'm told they came from trap cases in England. This one's a weird one. And this one's by Premier. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Christmas sleigh bells. My cat here, Dean, is very confused and upset by all the jingly sounds right now, and I hope you guys all have a great holiday.